ever wonder why you sound different in real life than you do on camera? I am sure you've noticed that your voice sounds different. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why, some professional insight, and then how to fix it. Acting or performance is never about how you sound, it's about the intention behind the line. So don't think about the how, think about the why. The first reason? Science. Compression and playback change how energy, timing, and tone behave in speech. And when that happens, the sound no longer follows the physical and biological rules your brain associates with a real human voice. Human speech also contains tiny fluctuations in loudness, pitch, timing. Compression flattens them. These micro variations help convey emotional information. In a sea of people, who specifically am I talking to? What is their current emotional state, and what are they trying to tell me in the moment? It's not bad audio. It's physics, biology, and signal processing colliding. And that was Science with Sam. I failed biology. Everyone sounds weird. Reason number 2 is just saying words versus delivering a message or communicating with intent. This goes back to reason number 1, where we talked about how hearing someone's voice lets you know specifically who they are and what their emotional state is. Anybody can read off a teleprompter or say lines. It takes a certain kind of creator and artist to communicate a message through those lines. Audio recordings flatten you. So if you don't add the emotional component needed, you're going to be double flat. Reason number 3 is self-monitoring. If you're thinking about how you sound and monitoring your voice, you're not going to be present or emotionally available, and you're going to screw yourself over. Let me give you some insight from the casting director's point of view. Audiences are super smart, and they can sniff out an inauthentic performance immediately. So if your voice is not authentic and you're over monitoring or checking yourself, you're not going to feel grounded and real and present. But here's another tricky part of the equation. A lot of times in the casting room or on set, you'll get notes like, just relax, be present, stay more grounded. The problem with that is, have you ever been anxious before and you're kind of stuck in your head and someone says, don't be anxious? It's not a very helpful thing to say. It kind of goes one of 2 ways, right? You either relax, doesn't really happen, or you get more up in your head. Let's move forward with some fixes that'll help you. Fix number 1, have someone specific you're talking to in mind. Remember, relationship will always set tone. Speaking to a partner, a stranger, a sibling will help create the tone and dynamic of a situation just as much as knowing yourself does. So that will help you have clarity and stay present in the scene. Fix number 2, thought-led delivery. This goes back to the idea of performing or acting versus just saying lines. So when we are talking, we are processing thought, we are listening, and we are active. When we say lines, we're just delivering. So remember, we have thought behind what we say. Make sure to think about that, add that in, and process in real time. Fix number 3, nerves. Nerves will always reflect in your voice. Not a big deal. We can fix this. And this is something I do on set with my clients. Go off camera, jump up and down until you're tired, come back, breathe. They may just go away. Stupid vocal exercises. Scream, yell, sing. Do anything to get your voice up and moving. Incorporate the nerves if they don't go away. Use the nerves to be a part of the character. Meaning, is the character nervous? Is the character excited? Find a way to justify those nerves so that it is real to the character. Bonus fix, don't watch yourself back on camera. Totally fine, doesn't make you any worse of an actor. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe.